This week we have two beautiful family SUVs. The ML350 W166 diesel here has AMG sports package, styling package, adaptive suspension, 21-inch AMG wheels, front and rear 360-degree camera, and it's in immaculate condition. A beautiful car with its AMG sports package. And over here we have a 2012 ML350 diesel with the option 20-inch wheels, heated front seats, rear camera, in very good condition, Distronic cruise control. Side skirts. Both beautiful cars. As you can see, we also have a white and a grey one here. So let's have a look at the 2012 one. It does come with the Mercedes 20-inch wheels. Some very good looking wheels. Blue efficiency model. Sunroof. In very good condition, unmarked. This one does come with the keyless entry and keyless go, automatic boot. The ML is a large SUV, plenty of space for everyone and a big boot. Let's have a look inside. There's the sunroof, beautiful leather interior, really good condition. Auto tailgate. There's the Towbar, so you are ready to tow whether it's a trailer or a caravan. They are quite powerful for a mid-sized caravan. Economical and powerful, the diesel, the ML350. Let's take a look inside. Beautiful wood finish interior. Luxury leather. Have a look on the inside. Mercedes-Benz. Beautiful floor mats. Seats in very good condition for a 2012 model. This one has been well taken care of. And let's have a look at that. Modern interior, sat nav, radio, telephone with a large screen. We'll have a look at that in a bit. Factory side steps. So a beautiful family wagon, and under 30 grand for the first time ever. We've had a late model ML for under 30 grand. Beautiful car to drive, reliable, powerful, absolutely stunning. Okay, so let's do a quick walkthrough of the interior of the 2012 ML350. Let's have a look inside. Now you'll notice straight away illuminated entrance sills, which is quite a nice feature. There's the electric seats with memory function. We'll have a look at that, which is a great function. Fully automatic, and does let you set up memory for the different people who might be driving it. These are great on the Mercs. Let's start her up. This one also has keyless go. Press the brake, press the button. Beautiful interior there. This one does have Distronic cruise control. Great for those holidays when you're driving on the highway and you don't want to keep turning the cruise control on and off all the time. Pedal shift. Nice option. Again, the large screen with telephone, sat nav. Again, heated seats for those cold winter nights that are coming. 3 different levels. Turn it off. Now auto climate control, dual zone, as you would expect. Turn the radio off. Beautiful interior. And again, this one does have the ascent assist and DSR, but does not have the adaptive suspension as on the other one. And finally, this 2012 ML350 does have a rear vision camera, which helps a lot in parking. So there we go, we put it into reverse, turn the handbrake off, and we reverse. Very clear, and it's also got the parking sensors as you would expect on the Mercedes. Okay, so now let's have a look at it. Its cousin here, slightly more expensive, just over 30 grand, but this one is a 2013 and does have the AMG Sports Package, styling package, 21-inch wheels, front and rear, 360 camera, Distronic cruise control. Looks amazing with the AMG package. Sunroof. Again, in very good condition throughout. The ML350 diesel, very powerful and economical. Auto tailgate. Plenty of room on the inside, and as you can see, this one's got the rear blind. Again, in immaculate condition inside. And auto tailgate as before. There's that beautiful AMG styling. LED tail lights. Those AMG 21-inch wheels in very good condition. Factory side skirts. Let's have a look inside this one. Again, fine wood interior. Beautiful leather seats in very good condition. This one's got the slightly updated command system. Large sat nav screen. Let's have a look on the front. Beautiful. Memory seats, both fronts. Again, the seats are in very good condition for its age. It's been well taken care of. There's that sunroof with a beautiful blue sky. Stunning wood dash trim. Very modern, classy interior. Large LCD screen, sat nav, Bluetooth, everything you could imagine. Alright, let's have a look inside the 2013 ML350 with the AMG Sports Package. Jump inside. Now this one does have the memory seats, so you can set a few different options, and electric, fully electric, even the headrest. Let's start her up. Keyless go. Press the brake and press the button. Now this one also has keyless entry, so you can get in without even touching your key, as long as your key is in your pocket or your bag next to it. There we go. Beautiful sat-nav screen, as you can see. It does have telephone function, ready for Bluetooth, dual zone climate control. You can change the temperature. Now, this is a special feature on this one. Heated seats for those wintry days that are coming up. So you can turn up the heat on both front seats. Now, this is another very nice feature. This has the adaptive suspension, so you can raise it or lower it depending on what terrain you're going on. So there you go. As you can see, the vehicle was lowered and now we're raising it up. Takes a few seconds and it gives it a good lift over the standard suspension. The adaptive suspension comfort and sport mode. Press that button and you will see a MATIC sport mode, stiffens the suspension, and a MATIC comfort. And one more big feature of this 2013 ML350 is the 360-degree camera, which is very helpful, as you'll see here. Put it into reverse, and as any other car, you've got reverse. But as you can see on the left hand side here, it also shows you a 360-degree bird's eye view of the car. You can see the car on the left, and on the right, the other ML that we have for sale today. As I turn the steering wheel, it shows me where the car's going to end up. And if I go into drive, there's the front camera working while the 360 degrees is still there. A very good feature, and for this price, it's an amazing addition to this car. In very good condition, as you can see. Both MLs, beautiful. The perfect family cars to get away when this lockdown is over on a family trip. Immaculately presented. And a bargain at under 30 grand for that one, and just slightly over 30 grand for the AMG package. Amazing cars. Test drive both. Choose which one you want. Come and see them at Peter Lennox Automotive. And if you like a different color, we've got white and grey here.